Honor Play 4, Honor Play 4 Pro with hole punch display, 5G support launched. Price, specifications. Honor Play 4 and Honor Play 4 Pro have been launched as the latest smartphones by the Huawei sub-brand Honor. The new smartphones come with a hole punch display design and offer 5G connectivity. Honor has also provided fast charging support on both Honor Play 4 models. Further, the Honor Play 4 Pro in the new series comes in an additional variant that has a dedicated infrared (IR) sensor at the back to measure body temperature. The feature is quite useful in current times as a sudden rise in body temperature is believed as an early symptom of COVID-19. Honor Play 4, Honor Play 4 Pro price and availability details. The Honor Play 4 price is set at 1,799 Chinese yuans, roughly 19,100 rupees, for the 6GB plus 128GB storage variant, while its 8GB plus 128GB storage option carries a price tag of 1,999 Chinese yuans, roughly 21,200 rupees. The phone comes in Magical Night Black, Phantom Blue, and Iceland Illusion color options and will go on sale in China starting June 12. The Honor Play 4 Pro price, on the other hand, is set at 2,899 Chinese yuans, roughly 30,800 rupees, for the 8GB plus 128GB storage variant. The Honor Play 4 Pro also has the variant with the IR sensor that has the same 8GB plus 128GB storage configuration but at a price tag of 2,999 Chinese yuans, roughly 31,800 rupees. Furthermore, the phone will be available for purchase in China starting June 9 with Magical Night Black, Mecha Blue, and Iceland Illusion color options. Details about the global launch of both the Honor Play 4 and Honor Play 4 Pro are yet to be revealed. Honor Play 4 specifications, features. The Dual SIM, Nano, Honor Play 4 runs Android 10 with Magic UI 3.1 on top and features a 6.81-inch Full HD+, 1,080x2,400 pixels, TFT display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 386p pixel density. Under the hood, the phone has an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 800 SoC, coupled with Mali G57MC4 GPU and up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. There is a quad-rear camera setup that houses a 64-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.89 lens, 8-megapixel secondary sensor with an f/2.2 wide-angle lens, and two 2-megapixel sensors with f/2.4 lenses. For selfies, there is a 16-megapixel single-camera sensor at the front, along with an f/2.0 lens. Honor Play 4 comes with a quad-rear camera setup. Honor has provided 128GB of onboard storage on the Honor Play 4 that is expandable via microSD card, up to 512GB. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 acres, Bluetooth V5.1, GPS, a GPS, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Sensors on board include an accelerometer, ambient light, gyroscope, and a proximity sensor. The phone also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Honor Play 4 packs a 4,300 mAh battery that supports 22.5 watts fast charging. Honor Play 4 Pro specifications, features. The Dual SIM, Nano, Honor Play 4 Pro runs Android 10 with Magic UI 3.1 on top and has a 6.57-inch Full HD+, 1,080x2,400 pixels, TFT display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by an octa-core Huawei HiSilicon Kirin 990 SoC, paired with Mali G76 GPU and 8GB of RAM. There is a dual rear camera setup that has a 40-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 lens and an 8-megapixel secondary sensor with an f/2.4 lens. For selfies, the handset comes with a dual selfie camera setup at the front that includes a 32-megapixel primary sensor with an f/2.0 lens and an 8-megapixel secondary sensor with an f/2.2 lens. In addition to the regular camera sensors, there is the special edition Honor Play 4 Pro that comes with the additional IR sensor. It is touted to have an accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius. The Honor Play 4 Pro has 128GB of onboard storage that doesn't support expansion via microSD card. Connectivity options on the phone include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 acres, Bluetooth V5.1, GPS, a GPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. There are sensors including an accelerometer, ambient light, gyroscope, magnetometer, and a proximity sensor. The phone has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Besides, Honor has provided a 4,200 mAh battery that supports up to 40 watts fast charging through the bundled charger. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.